Hey, Sebastian Guerra here, and welcome to Guerra Financial Tips. Today we're going to be going over why you should love and hate annuities at the same time. Annuities over the years have become accounts that are extremely desired for people entering retirement. What most people don't understand is that they can upgrade their annuities even though they might already have one. So what do I mean by this? The question is, why have so many people started putting their money into annuities over the last 5, 10, 15 years? You see, years ago, many people started gravitating towards annuities because they seem like a safer place to put your money, specifically for the topic of retirement. And yes, this is true. But what a lot of people don't know is that these annuities, especially indexed annuities, have a few rules around them that you should know. The most common rule is that they all have what's called a floor protection on them, where if the market were to crash, there is no risk of losing any of that principal. But on the other hand, they normally have a limited upside on how much you can make on a yearly basis. And unfortunately, this upside was limited to only about 3 or 4% per year, up until recently. Due to the new changes that have happened, most insurance companies are now allowing people to upgrade their annuities for the newer versions. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, why are they doing this? You see, because of recent interest rate changes over the last couple years, many of these insurance companies have increased the caps on all of the indexed annuities to as high as 10, 11, and as high as 12% per year. And what this means is that there is a much higher upside when the market goes up. Now, when you do this calculation and you run these projections for the next 10, 15, 20 years, this can literally represent hundreds of thousands of dollars, and even in some cases, millions of dollars of additional funds that you can have for your retirement, or even leave a larger legacy just by making this one change. This is why it is so important that you're constantly meeting with your advisory team to go over strategies that are available just like these. So if you or someone you know would like some assistance from a wealth management firm like ours, feel free to reach out. We can gladly set up a free 90-minute session with one of our wealth advisors, and they can walk you through what strategies you can implement today. I'll see you next week.